Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate it so much. So today I share with you how to make the simple crinoline flower for your beaded headband. All right, so keep watching guys, and let's dive into today's tutorial. Materials needed: multicolored crystal bead 6 mm, rose flower, black thread, measuring tape, scissors, fire line 0.30, hot glue gum, scissors, crinoline. This is 2.5 inch wide, black seed bead 15 hole, and also our headband. I make this myself, so I have a video on how you can make your headband by yourself. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I'll do is to measure my crinoline. Okay, so for the crinoline I'm going to measure, so for the crinoline I'm going to measure 18 inches. Okay, so I measured 18 inches and I'm going to cut it. So after cutting, I look for the middle point. Okay, just make sure you look for the middle point and fold. So I'm going to fold it. I make sure I get the middle point. Okay, I just place it like so. Figure out the middle point. Make sure you have equal size. Okay, then the next thing, I'm going to fold this part like so. All right, I fold it. I get my needle and my thread. Okay, then I pass my needle from down to the top. So I'm going to leave some part here, okay, so as to knot. All right, so now I'm going to just use the thread to roll it and make sure I hold it tight. Okay, so once I am done rolling it, okay, this is what I have. Now I'll just sew through. To secure it properly, I'll sew through before I knot it. Okay, so once that is done, I have it here now. Then I'm going to knot it. All right, so after knotting, then I'm going to cut out the thread. All right, that is it. And I have this is what I have now, as you can see. Okay, this is what I have now. I'm going to make 3 of this. Okay, so I'll make 3 of this. So now we have 3 of these, as you can see now. Okay, so I'm going to place them above each other like so. I'll set it like so. Okay, so I place them like so, and this one like that. All right, and this is what we should have after we are done sewing. So I'm going to tack everything together now. Okay, so just keep watching. So now that I have tacked this one, then I'm going to place the third one on it, like so. Just make sure you set it properly. So now I'm going to knot it, okay? So this is what we have, guys. Okay, so this is what we have. Now I'm not going to cut this thread, we are still going to use it. All right, so guys, we are done making our crinoline flower. So the middle point right there, we are going to place our rose flower, but not now. Okay, so stay tuned while we make our beautiful beaded headband with this crinoline flower. Thank you all so much for watching, as I see you in my next video. Bye bye.